name is Christopher Height, and I'm a collegiate assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry. This is Biochem 4124, and this is a senior level capstone lab. So normally we have a wet bench room and then an instrumentation room, but because of the space constraints of the pandemic, we've decided to kind of disperse the students out into the two rooms. So not only do we normally have 24 students in one room, going down to 6 per room, we're spread out using the two rooms. That, and there's usually the students are working in physical partnerships. We're still keeping the partnerships, but they'll be writing in partnerships only where they're both generating and collecting data and comparing. So there's kind of pros and cons to that. They're definitely getting more hands-on experience in this setup, actually, because everybody individually has to collect the data. And there's also redundancy built in. So if one partner has an unlucky day, the other partner might collect the data properly, and then they'll have a better chance of forming a report.